Question hook: ever wondered if you can dive into the thrilling world of crypto day trading using a platform like Wealthsimple? Well, let's find out. Context building. Crypto day trading, for those unfamiliar, involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single trading day to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy that's gained immense popularity. But can Wealthsimple, known for its simplicity and accessibility, be a suitable platform for this fast-paced activity? Understanding Wealthsimple. Platform overview. Let's start by understanding what Wealthsimple is all about. It's a Canadian investment platform that offers a range of financial products, including a crypto trading feature. Known for its user-friendly interface and low fees, Wealthsimple has gained a significant following. Key features: Wealthsimple's crypto trading features include a wide selection of cryptocurrencies to choose from, a simple buying and selling process, real-time price updates, secure storage of your crypto assets. Can Wealthsimple handle day trading? Analyzing features. While Wealthsimple offers essential features for crypto trading, let's delve deeper into its suitability for day trading. Order types. Does Wealthsimple support limit orders, market orders, and stop-loss orders, which are crucial for day traders? Trading fees. Are the trading fees competitive enough to allow for profitable day trading? Order execution speed. How quickly are orders executed, which is vital for capturing short-term price movements? Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples of users who have attempted day trading on Wealthsimple. Are there any limitations or challenges they faced? Comparing Wealthsimple to other platforms. Competitor analysis. To get a better perspective, let's compare Wealthsimple to other popular crypto trading platforms that cater specifically to day traders. Binance. Known for its extensive features and low fees, Binance is a top choice for many day traders. Coinbase Pro offers a professional trading interface with advanced features. Kraken, another popular platform with a focus on security and advanced trading tools. Conclusion. Summing up, based on our analysis, can we confidently say that Wealthsimple is a suitable platform for crypto day trading? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly interface, low fees, secure storage. Cons: limited advanced trading features, potential execution delays. Final thoughts. While Wealthsimple can be a good option for casual crypto investors, it might not be the ideal choice for serious day traders who require advanced features and lightning-fast order execution. Call to action. Recommendation: if you're a day trader looking for a platform with more advanced features and faster execution speeds, you might want to consider exploring other options like Binance or Coinbase Pro. Additional resources. For more information and to make an informed decision, check out the following resources. Wealthsimple's official website. Reviews from other crypto traders. Comparative analyses of different trading platforms. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.